Четвертый класс, английский язык. Звездный английский, домашнее задание, урок 40, часть 2, страница 95. English, Starlight for homework. Lesson number 40, part number 2, page number 95. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga, and I'm your English teacher today. And now we must repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. What's your name? Where are you from? What's your name? Where are you from? How long have you been here? How long have you been here? What's your name? Where are you from? How long have you been here? Boys and girls, we begin our work. Open your books, please. Page number 95. 95. Checkpoint. Exercise number 1. Complete the missing months. Закончи пропущенные месяца. January, February, March, May, July, September, November. The answer: April, June, August, October, December. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 2. Read and match. Прочитай и соедини. First, fifth, 9th, 12th, 18th, 22nd. Boys and girls, do exercise number 3. Make sentences. Will you help me, please? Составь предложение. The answer. Number 1. I hope it won't snow. Number 2. They'll be at 7 here. Number 3. Will he buy a new car? Number 4. She won't come to the party. Boys and girls, do exercise number 4. Read and answer. Прочитай и ответь. What's your last name? Where are you from? When is your birthday? Who's your favorite singer? The answer. Number 1. My last name is Ivanova. Number 2. I'm from Russia. Number 3. My birthday is on the 3rd of July. Number 4. My favorite singer is Justin Bieber. And now do exercise Now I Can. Ask and answer questions. Say the months. Talk about life in the future in English. Сейчас я умею. The answer. In future, I would like to travel. I want to see many cities and countries. It was always interesting to me to meet new people. So travels will help me for sure. I want to have a good job. I will become a doctor. I want to have a big family. I think it's so cool when there are 3 children in a family. My mom always says so. I help my parents at home. And I'm sure in future I will be able to do more and more every day. My dear friends, your work is good. The lesson is over. Goodbye. My dear friends, repeat season of the year. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Лето. Summer. It is summer. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is summer. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Зима. Winter. It is winter. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is winter. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Весна. Spring. It is spring. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is spring. My dear friends, look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Осень. Autumn. It is autumn. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is autumn. The year is divided into 4 seasons: winter, spring, summer, and autumn. Repeat the poem about season of the year. Spring is green. Summer is bright. Autumn is yellow. Winter is white. My dear friends, and now we must repeat months of the year. Repeat after me. December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November.